live stream. Hello. Anyone coming? Hello. Welcome. Hello. Hi, welcome. Let me introduce myself firstly. I'm Vivian.
I'm Sandy.
I'm Amy.
I'm Stephanie.
Hi. We are now in Fuzhou City, Fuzhou, China. Let me introduce about Fuzhou City. Fuzhou is a beautiful coastal city in southeastern China. And if you come to China in the future, welcome to visit us and have a good sightseeing about our city. Okay. Let me introduce our company firstly. Our company, Fuzhou Tourway, was established in 2010, and we mainly sell screw air compressor, after trimmer equipment in air solution system, and construction machinery, like the air dryer, air tank, filters, concrete pump, wet screening manipulators. In the past 12 years, our equipment exported to more than 70 regions and countries, and get very good feedback from our clients from all over the world. We are always doing our best and efforts to expand our overseas market, and we have some and bring our Chinese equipment to the clients from all over the world. We have some distributors in some countries, but we look for more distributors and agents to cooperate with us. So if you are interested in our equipment and like to be our distributor and agent, contact with us. That's all for our company. Now I'd like to introduce our sales team members for all you guys. I'm Vivian. This is Sandy.
Hi.
This is Amy.
Hello.
This is Stephanie. Today we'd like to introduce about 3 hot seller screw air compressor to you all. And firstly, I'd like to welcome Sandy to introduce the 4-in-1 combined screw air compressor to you all. Warmly welcome.
Hello, I'm Sandy. Now I would like to introduce 4-in-1 screw air compressor for you. It includes screw air compressor, air dryer, air tank, and precision filters. The power is from 7.5 kilowatt to 22 kilowatt, and the pressure is from 7 bar to 16 bar. Today, I'd like to introduce 15 kilowatt, 16 bar screw air compressor for you. It's mainly designed for laser cutting and widely used in kinds of industry, such as the electronic industry. Now, follow me. I'll check the details for you. It's a touch screen controller panel. We can see it's beautiful and it's easy to operate. And next, it's air end. It's made by the famous brand Boss, and it's with the normal noise. And it's air tank. The volume is 300 liters. Now we can see there are 4 filters. 1, 2, 3, 4 filters, and it can keep the air quality very good, and can fully guarantee the end user skins, and it can meet the different requirements from different countries. Now let's follow me. Then I would like to introduce the advantage of this kind of screw air compressor. The first, it's easy to install, and then the second, it's safe space, and then the third, it's flexible to move, and then the fourth, the integrated filter systems can greatly reduce the pressure loss. Finally, the most important is we have the great price for you. If you are interested in this kind of screw air compressor, you can contact us. Thank you.
Hello, my friend. This is Amy. Now let me bring you to show our compressor. The compressor is the 45 component manage valuable frequency screw air compressor. For me, first we can look at the motor. The motor compared with ordinary motor is energy saving. This is Boss air end. Boss air end connect with motor. We not company with more compact and 100% transmission. We can look at the motor is small. It can easy to desirable and desirable. It's not a motor building. It can eliminate the fault. Now,
sorry. I'm Vivian. Any means the air end, Boss air end, connected with the motor is without company and 100% transmission to realize engine saving. Yeah, the permanent magnet motor. Comparing with the ordinary motor, this motor is more engine saving. It's IE4 motor.
it's serving level more 15 years.
It's a long user race life.
Now we look at the air filter.
Air filter inside.
Yes. Its filter is ensure the air intake quality. Now we can look at the oil filter. Oil filter ensure the oil lubrication of compressor. Now we can look at the air intake valve. The valve can automatically adjust air volume from 0 to 100%.
We have flow from 0 to 100%.
Now we can look at the panel. It's the touch screen panel. It's NAN 6080 control tree. It can work 24 hours automatically without a person.
Intelligent touch screen. This is our brand. Huawei.
Our compressor color is blue. We can also make green and also can OEM.
Yeah, OEM order is the center.
Yes.
No matter what kind of color.
Yeah. yes. Welcome to place our order. Thank you.
Hello everyone.
读买家进入直播间了。
This is Stephanie speaking. Let me introduce our 132 kilowatt 8-bar screw air compressor. The reason why I introduce this air compressor is because it's our company's hot selling machine. It's widely used in domestic thermal industry. Last year, our company sold more than 500 machines in China. Now, let me show you around in all directions of our machine. The front of the machine and the left side of the machine and the back of. It's so big. Let's introduce the details of the machine. Now, you can look at this is our oil filter. It can filter impurities in the air and oil. And this is the heart of our screw air compressor. This air end, we use Boss brand. Boss brand is a well-known domestic brand. Use it at home and at work. And this is Intact West. Intact West, we use Red Star brand. The quantity is guaranteed and low maintenance cost. And the third is our air filter. The air filter effectively filters impurities in the air. Air filter. Inside. The air filter is so big because it's a 132 kilowatts full air compressor. So big.
Yeah, very big. Then the smaller kilowatts full air compressor.
Yes.
Yeah, very good quality. Very good quality.
And this is a fan cooler. It can lower down the temperature of the screw air compressor. It's a fan. And the next one, I introduce our control panel. The control panel is a touch control panel.
This one, red one is emergency button.
Yes.
Emergency button. For sometimes if something like high temperature or something like this, just press this one.
And this is a contractor beside the control panel box. It's good quality in our domestic famous brand. And it's our user manual and certifications. Everyone, if buy our machine, we can put in the machine. And the last all is introduce our 132 screw air compressor. That's all. Thank you very much. This is Stephanie speaking.
然后那个讲完之后， Okay, hi. Hi, guys. Welcome, new friends. My team member, Stephanie, Amy, and Sandy already introduced our 3 hot series cool air compressor to you guys. Let's so much for the equipment today. And we'd like to waiting for next time live stream and warmly welcome you. Okay, so much for today, and welcome to Fuzhou if you come to China and visit us. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.